6 minutes left. It was missed, and here's the fight for the ball, and clearly Thomas Robinson is driving that out of bounds line. The length of this Kentucky defense is just amazing. You mentioned the challenge, and that's Terrence Jones, who's in the paint. We got